I was not ready for it. Out of the syllabus, making a mess of it. I would like to give this movie. Friends, I've just completed watching the 2026 movie Leo Cronin's The Mummy. I have watched the movie at Glasgow's Odeon Lux. Before going into the details of the movie, if I would summarize it in a short, I would say I was not ready for it. This was something out of the syllabus, and initially I thought, okay, they are making a mess of it, but then it ended in a satisfied watch. So initially when the movie started, I was expecting a kind of an action adventure mummy movie which we have been watching since childhood, but slowly when the movie progressed, and then we got to know that it's something a different kind of a genre. The movie has been directed by Lee Cronin. It has been said that he has reimagined the Mummy franchise, and yes, we can see that he has reimagined it into a completely different universe. They kept the mummy angle just for the beginning's sake, as Lee Cronin has directed multiple horror movies in the past. He had given the movie that horror element with some exorcism and black magic into it, removing the adventure part. So it's like you have went to a restaurant thinking for a particular dish and something else comes to your plate. You get the shock, but by the time you complete the dish, you are very satisfied. They have removed the action adventure part from it, and they have completely focused on the gory violence exorcism angle. Yes, they have kept the family angle in it, but then if you are expecting like me an action adventure movie, then initially you are going to feel like, okay, they are trying to encash on the Mummy movie series name, but no, it was not so. When the movie progressed and during the second half, it became very gory. It was a gory fest at the end, lot of blood, but the way they have articulated it and they've showed it, I liked it. At the end, it was a kind of a satisfied watch for me, because I felt the movie as a very complete. The kind like they have not left any loose ends, that's something for the other part or something. Also, I would like to say that they could have named this movie anything. This was not necessary to be a mummy franchise movie. Yes, they have set up the story in Egypt. They have some mummy concept at the starting. They have sort of a pyramid kind of. But this could have been a part of any other horror franchise movie or any other movie name. The Mummy movie name was not so justified at all. The end of the movie was a kind of a edge of the seat exorcism movie. I would like to give this movie a generous 3 out of 5 stars. Yes, I did enjoy it. So guys, this was my review for this movie. So if you like this review, do comment, and if you watched the movie, do let us know how did you like this movie. Bye.